Do you want those epic skins? But they cost money. You cannot buy this one. But I'm going to show you how to make the best outfit ever. First, we'll start with the very tricky one, the dinosaur. So first, go to eyes, or maybe do the hearts one. I'm just finding for the hearts. And then go to outfits. So we're going to do this one. Next up, we'll try it's also tricky, it's a bird. So first go to eyes. And let's do the poopy one. And then go to outfits. So we're gonna try one from Squid Game. That looks awesome. Next up, we got the truest one for girls. If you're a girl and you're watching this, and if you also love unicorns, this is a dragon. So first we'll go to eyes. We're going to do the small eyes and then go to outfits. We're going to try this one. And then go to this. I just don't want to keep it like this. Anyways, it's time to shout. Leave it at this right now. And then we go to eyes. We're going to do this one. And we're going to put this one and type off this. Do you like it? Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you in the next video. So I can say bye-bye.